All right, so this is 1 and 2 reworked because the wording was wrong on number 1 and the table was wrong on number 2. My apologies. So going back to our table, let's go ahead and create one. So this is morning, afternoon, evening, and total. This is pass. This is fail and total. So this is 0.28, 0.1, and 0.38. This is 0.2, 0.08, 0.28. This is 0.22, 0.12, and 0.34. All right, so the totals are 0.7, 0.3, and always 1. So find the probability that bottle was inspected in the afternoon given that it failed the inspection. So that was the part that wasn't worded correctly. So 0.08 is those that failed, given that it failed is over 0.3, and that's roughly 0.27 or 27%. Find the probability that the bottle was inspected in the morning given that it passed the inspection. So morning is 0.28. over the total pass, which is 0.7, that's roughly 0.4 or 40%. So passing in the morning, it's 0.28 over 0.38, which is roughly 77.4%. Pass in the evening. Pass in the evening is 0.22 over 0.34, which is 0.65 or 65%. And then pass in the afternoon is going to be 0.2 over 0.28, which is 71%. So it's most likely to pass in the morning. All right, so notice the table has been updated to reflect the correct table. The sport is now on top, the instrument is on bottom. So this is still going to be 0.23, this is still going to be 0.19, this is going to be 0.25, this is going to be 0.33. If we total it out here, we have 0.42, 0.58, and 1. If we total this out, this is 0.48 and 0.52. So if you're given a student plays an instrument, what is the probability that a student also plays a sport? So that's going to be 0.23 over 0.42, which is 55%. If you are given a student plays a sport, what is the probability that a student also plays an instrument? Round to the nearest hundredth. So 0.23 over 0.48, which is roughly 48%.